All right, let's see. Let's go ahead and look at a trickier one. Let's go ahead and look at the integral of a plus b x to the third all over radical 4ax plus bx to the fourth. In this case, let's go ahead and set our u. Well, let me go ahead and break this down further. This is the same thing as the integral of 1 over the 4ax plus bx to the fourth. A plus bx to the third. Can't forget our dx. It should be a dx. Now in this case, let's go ahead and make u equal to this, because it'll break down to this nicely once it's factored. So u is going to be equal to 4ax plus bx to the fourth. So the derivative of this, you're going to be looking at a 4a plus, let's see, 4b x to the third. Remember here, let's see, remember in this case, x being your variable is gonna go away. So you're left with this 4a here. Now let's go ahead and factor in order to match this. So we're looking at 4a plus bx to the third dx. Now to match this with this, let's go ahead and bring this 1/4 du outside of here. So we're looking at 1/4 du is equal to a plus bx to the third dx. Now everything is in terms of u. We're going to plug in our u. So we're looking at the integral of 1 over radical u, it's a plus bx to the third dx is equal to 1/4 du. So here we're looking at a 1/4 times a 1 over radical u du. Now in this case, let's go ahead and put our 1/4 outside the integral symbol. 1 over radical u c du. Now in this case, let's go and further simplify this 1 over radical u. So 1 times u to the negative 1/2 is equivalent to this. And it's the same as u to the negative 1/2. Now we're ready to integrate. I draw a line to get rid of the integral symbol. So let's see, this negative 1/2 plus 1 is equal, let's see, I think it's negative 1/2, I think it's 1/2. Negative 1/2 plus 1 is equal to 1/2. And since we're integrating, we're going to have to bring down the 2, because 1/2 times 2 is 1. and 1/2 minus 1 is -1/2. So this is the integrated version of this. Now let's go ahead and let's see. Let's go ahead and simplify. So 1/4 times 2 is equal to 1/2. So now you're looking at a 1/2 u to the 1/2 plus c. Now let's go ahead and plug our u back in. Everything is fully simplified. So you're looking at a 1/2 u, which is 4a x plus bx to the 4th to the 1/2 plus c. Now this is your final answer, but remember, we can simplify further by making this 1/2 a radical symbol, so it's the same thing. So we also do that, your answer would just be 1/2 radical 4x plus bx to the 4th plus a constant c. So this could be a fully simplified version, but this version of the answer is acceptable also. It's the same thing.